Let me show you in this quick video how you can check the number of user accounts that can access your Windows 11 PC. Now, I'm going to be showing you two methods to actually check this out. And the first method is by coming to the search bar and you'd want to search for computer management. Click on computer management, click on local users and groups, click on users. And here you can see the rundown of all the user accounts on your PC. Now, if you double click on admin and click on member of, you can see all the privileges that account have. That's the first method to check for users on your Windows PC. Now, the second method would be to come to the taskbar, right click on it and click on Task Manager. On the Task Manager interface, click on users, and here you can see all the users on your Windows. So guys, there you have it. That's how to check for users on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.